Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at Bass Pro Shop. The National Dumping Museum here in Springfield, Missouri. They got ThyssenKrupp Signa4 here to ride. Alright, let's go up to 2. Here we go. Huh, that's backwards. Period 2. Yeah, that's not. Yeah, the indicator's backwards. It's a very nice elevator cab. Very nice. Especially the door. That's obviously fake. You can see over there are the glass elevators. Rikers Road. Link to the video up there. So yeah, this is a pretty neat place. Anyway, let's go back downstairs. Obviously, that's a custom call button. We get a much better look at the cap here. It's definitely pretty nice. Okay, let's go down to 1. We're in the video there. Anyway, there's the indicator with the capacity 2,500 pounds. Single 4 buttons. It's a very nice one. That's definitely a very custom call station. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.